Hello friends, how are you? So the thing that you are seeing here is an water tank controller, which means that it works by these two sensors, and it works when the water in your water tank gets to lower level, or when it is finished, then it will automatically turn on your water pump and the water tank will again gets filled, and then it will automatically turn it off also. So this is just a prototype. Here is a working demonstration of it. The water pump wires comes here in this small device, and these two are the water level sensors. One will be fitted on top of the water tank and one on the bottom, on the side walls. So when water rises up to the top level, the water pump will get turned off, and when water gets below the top and also below the lower sensor, so it will automatically turn on the water pump. So I haven't yet programmed it completely. Here is just a working demonstration. This is the top sensor. Here you can see this light is on, the green light, so which means that it has started the attached electric water pump motor here. For the water tank, I will just take this cup and there is water in it. So right now this sensor is outside the water, which means that it is sensing that there is no water in the tank, so the light is on. Now when I put it, which means that the water is there, you can see the light has turned off. I took it out, again inside. You can see the light. So you can see it's working. So this is just a prototype, as I said earlier, and we will finish it. We will connect the long wires here and also connect it securely inside the water tank, so that no water will get inside these open metals. And also these other things also, they will be connected outside the tank with the motor, proper precautions. And so this thing we will then sell it, and the price is mentioned below in the description. So if you want it, then you can contact with the WhatsApp number attached, and we will make more of like this in the future. So if you want, just contact on that WhatsApp number, or you can call, and that's it. Thanks for watching.